Hi, I wish to thank you so kindly for taking a few moments to pop in here to discover a little bit more about my workshops and retreats. I run a number of events throughout the year, and these are always incredibly beautiful opportunities for personal and spiritual growth, and they create a safe space to learn, grow, nurture your soul, and connect with your authentic self. A few of the workshops and retreats I share are healing from the inside out, connecting with your angels, messages from your angels, Reiki level 1, 2 and masters, weekly group mindfulness sessions, and mastering mindfulness retreats. If you'd love to be informed of upcoming events, pop your details in the box below and I'll keep you posted. I'd love to see you at an event soon and share in your journey of self-discovery. Till then, I'm sending you a magical sprinkling of angel dust infused with love, laughter and clarity. Bye for now.